Hello, my beautiful ladies. Welcome back to day 2 of Postpartum Pilates. Go ahead and come to all fours. Make sure your hands are directly underneath your shoulders, supporting your body. Your core is engaged. Knees are aligned with your hips. You're going to take a big inhale as you lengthen through your spine. And exhale, round. Really draw your belly button into your spine. Again, inhale, lengthen through your spine. And exhale, round your spine. You're here for 8. Make this move slow and controlled, really connecting your breath with your movement. Keep your shoulders down and back, really relax. And as you exhale, think about that rib to hip connection. Think of your body as a long line. And as you exhale, round, coming into that C curve. Inhale, lengthen and expand your ribs. And exhale, round and draw them in. This is not only working our core, but really stretching out our spine here. You're here for 3. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, round. Last one here. Inhale, lengthen through your spine. And exhale, really round your spine. Go ahead and come back into your neutral position. Make sure your hands are directly underneath your shoulders. We're going to do our vacuums. Inhale, expand your ribs. And exhale, draw everything in. Really keep your shoulders down and back. Inhale, inflate your stomach. And exhale, deflate your stomach. If you're looking for a challenge, when you exhale, try to tighten up your pelvic floor. You guys are so strong. Just remember, we're struggling through this together. Inhale, expand. And exhale, deflate your stomach. Drop your ribs down to your hips. You're here for 3. Inhale. And exhale, draw everything in. Last one here. Inhale and exhale. Just take a couple deep breaths here. I know that was challenging, and then go ahead and come back into your neutral spine. Engage your core. Keep your shoulders down and back. Extend your right arm out. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. You're here for 8. I know this is challenging. Just keep your core engaged. This is really going to help with your balance. exhale, drop your ribs down to your hips. You're here for 3. Exhale, lift, and inhale, lower. Last one here. Exhale, lift, and inhale, lower. Just take a couple deep breaths here. When you're ready, extend your right leg out long. Your core is engaged. Hands are directly underneath your shoulders. You're going to exhale, lift, and inhale, tap. Exhale, lift, and inhale, tap. You're here for 8. Make this move slow and controlled, and as you exhale and lift, really squeeze your glutes. Shoulders down and back, and keep your core engaged. You're here for 3. Exhale, lift, and inhale, tap. Last one here. Exhale, lift, and inhale, tap. Woo, that was rough. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and come onto your left side. Place your left hand on your head. Your knees are bent. Make sure your feet are aligned with your hips. Push your hip away, creating space between your body and the mat. Keep your feet together. We're going to exhale, open our legs, and inhale, close. So exhale, open, and inhale, close. Exhale and inhale. You're here for 8. Place your hand on your ribs just to feel that connection. As you exhale and open, really draw your core in. You're here for 3. Exhale, open, and inhale, close. Last one here. Exhale, open, and inhale, close. Now hold open and pulse. Come on, you guys. Keep pulsing. Keep your core engaged. Come on, you guys. Keep going. And rest. Woo, good job, you guys. Give your booty a little hit and then go ahead and come into your mermaid stretch. Take a big inhale, reach over, and exhale, come down. One more time. Inhale, reach over, and exhale, come down. Now you know what we got to do. Let's do the same to the other side. Come back to all fours. Make sure your hands are directly underneath your shoulders, supporting your body. Extend your left arm out long. Exhale, lift, and inhale, tap. Exhale, lift, and inhale, tap. Exhale, lift, and inhale, tap. You're here for 8. If you're feeling this on the other side, just embrace it. Keep your shoulders down and back and your core engaged. Think of your body as a long line here. You're here for 3. You're so strong. Exhale, lift, and inhale, tap. Last one here. Exhale, lift, and inhale, tap. Just take a couple deep breaths here and then go ahead and extend your left leg out long. Your core is engaged, hands are directly underneath your shoulders. Exhale, lift, and inhale, tap. Exhale, lift, and inhale, tap. You're here for 8. As you exhale and lift, really squeeze your glutes and squeeze your core. Keep your shoulders relaxed. You're here for 3. You're so strong. Exhale, lift, inhale, tap. Last one here. Exhale, lift, and inhale, tap. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and come onto your right side. Relax your hand on your head. Your knees are bent. Make sure your feet are aligned with your hips. Press your hip away, creating space between your body and the mat. You're going to exhale, open, and inhale, close. Exhale, open, and inhale, close. You're here for 8. Keep your core engaged here, and as you exhale and open, really squeeze your glutes. Exhale and open, dropping your ribs down to your hips, and inhale, expand. You're here for 3. Exhale, open, and inhale, close. Last one here. Exhale, open, and inhale, close. Now you know the drill. Let's hold and pulse. Keep pulsing. You're so strong. This is your last exercise. Core is engaged. Shoulders are down and back. Come on, you guys. And rest. Good job, you guys. Let's go ahead and come into our mermaid stretch. So inhale, reach over, and exhale, lower. Last time here, inhale, reach over, and exhale, lower. Go ahead and come back to all 4s. Inhale, reach your right arm up, and exhale, thread it through. Just breathe into this stretch. Let's switch sides. Reach your left arm up, and exhale, thread it through. Class is officially over. I am so proud of you guys. Come back for day 3 on Thursday. Always remember, you are strong, beautiful, and confident. Like, comment, and subscribe.